Hello students, welcome back to Maths Online Classes. We are in the chapter number 9, Measurement. Okay, we are doing revise once again of this chapter. We already completed this chapter in early classes. Okay, now in previous classes we studied about longer object and shorter object. Okay, now we will learn about big and small. Okay, here in page number 119 you can see over here one elephant is drawn over here and one mouse is there. Which one is small and which one is big, student? You have to tell. So you have to do by your own in your maths book. Elephant is big in size and small is mouse is small in size. So we will connect small with mouse and elephant with big. Like this only you have to do this. Okay students? Now take out page number 120. Page number 120. Now our topic is write T against tall object and S against shortest object in the box. Write T against tall object. Tall object के लिए T लिखना है अपन को and S against short object. Okay, और short object के लिए S लिखना है. So I will take only one example from this because we have to continue our next point also. First, I will draw one mango tree is drawn over here. Okay. And one coconut tree is drawn over here. Okay, like this. So, which one is tall and which one is short? किसकी हाइट ज्यादा है and किसकी हाइट कम है students? Here, coconut tree is tall. So, we will write over here T. And mango tree is short. So, we will write S for short. I will take one more picture. Tick the tallest and cross the shortest. Okay. Our next topic is tick the tallest and cross the shortest. अपन को क्या करना है? राइट करना है टॉल के लिए और शॉर्ट के लिए क्या करना है? क्रॉस करना है. ओके. हियर वी आर हैविंग सेम कोकोनट ट्री. So here, which one is shortest and which one is tallest? Here, given over there, वी हैव टू क्रॉस द शॉर्टेस्ट वन. जो छोटा है उसके लिए क्रॉस करेंगे और जो लंबा है उसके लिए राइट करेंगे. तो दिस वन इज स्मॉलेस्ट, सो वी विल डू क्रॉस साइन, and this one is tallest, we will do the right sign over here. So this is page number 21. Okay, I am taking only one example from each pages, okay, from each question, because we are doing revision of this chapter, that's why. Okay, now take out page number 22, 122. Okay students, 122, and the topic is take the object which is thicker. Take the object which is thicker. Thicker मतलब जो चौड़ा है. Okay, here I'm having one pencil with me and one rubber with me. Okay, so कौन सा थिक है और कौन सा थिन है स्टूडेंट? पेंसिल पतला है एंड रबर चौड़ा है. सो वी विल टेक ओवर हियर दिस like this. Now I will take one more example. One big mango tree is there and one coconut tree is given over there. Which one is thick and which one is thin? Coconut is dubla patla and this one is healthy one. So we will take this thicker. This is thick one. Okay students. Now take out page number 125. 125. Heavy and light. Okay, so you can see over here one elephant is standing over here. On the top of elephant, one monkey is sitting on elephant. So which one is light or which one is heavy? Monkey is light and elephant is heavy. Okay, here one boy and girl is playing seesaw. Okay, so girl is light because he is in the upside and boy is heavy because he is in the downside. Okay, like this only we can find which one is heavy and which one is light. Now student, more or less, I already told you, more and less. Here 5 ball is there and here 2 ball is there. Which one is more? Tick the more object. Here which one is more? Here is 5 ball is drawn over here and here is 2. Sorry. So this one is less, so we will take in this one. Now same it is, tick the less one, less object. Okay, here 3 rubber is drawn over there, and here is 2 rubber is drawn over here. Which one is less, student? Here is 3 and here is 2. So this one is less. ये कम है और ये ज़्यादा है. So student, our measurement chapter is over. Hope you all understand this. We'll do revision of this, and from next classes we will start our new chapter. Okay. For now, thank you and have a good day.